What is the difference between json.dumps and json.load? What is the difference between json.dumps and json.load? From my understanding, one loads JSON into a dictionary and another loads into objects.
Dumps takes an object and produces a string. Load would take a file like object, read the data from that object, and use that string to create an object. Note that dump and load convert between files and objects, while dumps and loads convert between strings and objects. You can think of the s-less functions as wrappers around the s functions.
JSON loads returns an object from a string representing a JSON object. JSON dumps returns a string representing a JSON object from an object. Load and dump read/write from/ to file instead of string.